In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google My Business profile picture. First things first, let's dive into the process of updating your Google My Business profile picture. This is a great way to keep your business information fresh and appealing to your customers. A relevant, high-quality profile picture can make your business stand out and attract more views on Google. To start, you'll need to navigate to your Google Business profile. Ensure you're signed in with the Google account associated with your business profile. If you've got multiple Google accounts, make sure you're logged into the correct one to avoid any mix-ups. Once you're signed in, head over to your business profile. Here you'll be able to manage all the details that your customers see about your business on Google, including your profile picture. The next step is to click on the Add Photos option. This section is designed for you to showcase your business through images, so it's the perfect place to upload a new profile picture. After clicking on Add Photos, you'll see an option to select photos or videos. This is where you can choose the new image you want to represent your business on Google. Ensure that your chosen image is clear, high quality, and properly represents your brand. Remember, first impressions matter. Now you can either browse for the photo if you know where it's saved on your computer, or if the photo is easily accessible, simply click and drag it into the designated area. Hey, this drag and drop feature is a quick and efficient way to upload your new profile picture. Before wrapping up, let's go over some additional tips to ensure your profile picture is as effective as possible. Firstly, make sure the picture is current. An outdated image could confuse potential customers. Next, consider the composition of your photo. Your business logo should be visibly clear without any cropping issues. Finally, think about the message your picture sends to those who view your profile. It should reflect the essence of your business and what customers can expect. Changing your Google. My Business profile picture is a simple yet impactful way to keep your online presence up to date. By following these steps, you'll ensure your business looks its best on Google, ultimately helping to attract and retain customers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials on managing your online business presence effectively.